Hello and welcome to today's maths lesson, everybody. Now, yesterday I explained that this week in maths we were going to be revising all of the things that we learned before the holidays so they really stick in our brains. Now, yesterday we practiced taking away, subtraction. And today we're going to be practicing doubling because we learned how to double last half term. Now, I'm going to remind you about what doubling is in a minute, but before I do, could you just pause the video and see if you can remember what doubling it is and explain what it is to your grown-up? Pause the video now and have a go. Did you manage to have a go? Well done. Doubling is just a posh way of saying that we are adding the same number together. So 1 add 1 makes 2, that's a double. 2 add 2 is 4, that's a double. 3 add 3 is 6, that's a double. 4 add 5.
No, Miss Talbot.
Is that not a double, Miss Hollenby?
No, it's not.
It isn't a double, Miss Hollenby. Miss Hollenby's right because you have to add the same number together for it to be a double. And 4 and 5 are not the same number, are they, Miss Hollenby?
No, they are not.
Would 5 add 5 be a double, Miss Hollenby?
Yes.
It would. 5 add 5 is 10, and that's a double too. And I've actually got a doubling machine up on the board here just to show you. So I have got 2 pairs here. If we push the button on the doubling machine, it's going to double the pairs to give us the answer. Let's see. Here we go. Can you see? It doubled the amount of pairs. We started with 2, and to double it, we had to add another 2 pairs. So how many pairs have we got all together? Can you count them? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 add 2 is 4. Or you could say double 2 is 4. Well done. Okay, now what we would like you to do today is play a game of doubling bingo. So what you're going to need for this game is some toys you can use as counters really, because you're going to use the counters to work out the answer to some doubling problems. You're also going to need a dice. Now, if you have not got a dice at home, don't worry because you can actually get a dice on your computer. I'm going to show you now. Let me just put this down here, and if you go on the internet, there we go. I'm going to put this link on the plan so your mummies and daddies can get it. And can you see, if you just click here, you can select one dice, numbers 1 to 6, or you could put the numbers all the way up to 9. And then when you've done that, oh, how do we go back? There we go. Oh, it didn't work. Hang on a minute. How do I? Right, I managed to work it out. So here we are. We've got a die on our computer, and if you click roll, poof, look, it's rolling different numbers. So if you haven't actually got a dice at home, don't worry, you can get one on the computer. And now, do you know what? I'm going to need Miss Hollenby's help to show you how to play this game. So we'll be back in just 1 second. Right, now look, Miss Hollenby's here to help me show you how to play doubling bingo. Okay, so you are going to need a piece of paper with a line drawn down the middle. Maybe that's the first thing you can get ready. Pause the video and go and make one for you and one for your grown-up because we need 2 players for this game. Pause the video now. Did you do it? Well done. Okay, so we've got our piece of paper with our line in the middle. That's going to help with our doubling. You are going to need your dice or die. Go and find one now or load it up on the computer. Pause your video now and go and get that ready. Did you do it? Well done. You are going to need some counters or toys to help you work out the answer. go and find those now.
How
Pause the
many,
video.
Miss Talbot?
Well, you could probably get, I think 20 would be a good number, but you might do some bigger doubling problems, so you can get more than 20 if you would like, depending on how far you want to challenge yourself. Pause the video now and go and get some counters. Did you get them? Well done. Now the next thing is your grown-up is going to need to make you a doubling bingo mat. They're very easy to make. You just draw a squiggly shape round the outside and you put doubles answers in the middle. So it needs to be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay, so those numbers, and you might put 2 number 2s, you might put 3 number 8s. What you need to make sure is that there's different doubles answers on each bingo mat. So my mat is different to Miss Hollenby's mat. Pause the video now and go and make them. Did you make your doubles bingos mat? Well done. Okay, and you are going to need maybe like a colour pencil or a felt tip to play bingo. Right, shall we play, Miss Hollenby?
Yes, let's play.
Okay, right, where's my... Oh, there it is. Right, we're going to give it a roll. Here we go. Oh. I rolled number... Can you count the spots? 1, 2. So, I've got to double number 2. And I'm going to use my counters to help me, okay? So, here comes my doubling mat. Would you hold it for me, Miss Hollenby? We're going to hold it up, but you'll have yours on the table. I need to double 2. So I'm going to put 2 one side, and now I need to double 2. So that means I need to add another 2 because doubling is adding the same number together. So I'm going to get another 2 counters. 1, 2. Oh, can you see I've doubled it? It's a bit tricky to see. Sorry, guys. That's better. And now I need to count all of them to find out what the answer to double 2 is. I'm going to use my nose to help me count. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Double 2 equals 4. Thanks, Miss Hollenby.
That's okay.
So what I need to do now, I know the answer, is have a look at my bingo mat. And I need to have a look to see if there's a number 4 on there. Is there a number 4? There is. I can see it right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to colour. I'm going to do it here so it's easier for you to see. Colour in my number 4. There we go. I've crossed off number 4 on my bingo mat.
Do I cross off number 4, Miss Talbot?
No, because it was not your go, Miss Hollenby.
Oh, okay. I've got to wait.
And then what would happen is Miss Hollenby would then have her go. She'd roll, see which number she got, and then she'd need to find the answer to double 5 if she rolled 5. Use her doubling mat, use her counters, and then if she had it on her bingo mat, she could cross it off too. Now, the first person to colour in all of their doubles bingo mat is the winner. Okay, so you've got to do lots and lots of doubling to see who the winner is today. Please take lots of photos and maybe you could tell Miss Hollenby and I who won your game of doubles bingo.
Oh, yes, please.
Good luck and have fun.
Have